We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to everyone's needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone. So we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.